Hey everyone, for anyone new, my name is Valerie, a plant lover and a relative newcomer to a tropical environment where I can plant every day with no winter. So I went to a big box store yesterday and I'd seen these, these snake plants a bunch of times, but I had never seen the babies growing. So I thought this looked different than the Sansevieria or Dracaena cylindrica that I already had. So then I had to buy it to compare the two. So if you look at my cylindrica snake plant that I already have, as I'm knocking over the other one, when they come up as babies, they look really skinny and they come up kind of looking like the adult plants. On the other side, you can see that they're coming up. Some of them come up in bunches, but when they reach a little bit of taller height, you can see that they're coming up straight, right? And then the grooves on these, you can't see as much. They're more perfectly cylindrical, as you can see on here. So this one is different. They are much thicker and also flatter, and the grooves look different, and then the patterning looks different also. You can see these horizontal stripes on some of these as well. So I thought to myself, this gotta be a different type. Let me get it, research it a little bit. And what I am finding is I think this might be the Dracaena stuckyi, which is, just a cool looking plant. They're more upright than the other ones that I have, which that one is perfect for the pot that it's in. But I thought I might need to have this. So I figured I would open it up and really see the kind of connections here, because I think, it's funny that these look just like of the bird's nest snake plant. Also, and it's funny that these look just like it. One of them though, only one of them, this one right here, you can start to see it have the more cylindrical shape in the middle. Two, I lied. So this one and this one right here. But the others just kind of look like your typical snake plant. So I felt like that was really interesting. So I'm gonna break this apart because, there are too many in this pot. I figured I would split it up anyway. And actually they're just splitting up super easily. But I wanted to see how many of these were attached to each. So, oh, that's interesting on its own. Are all of these attached? Ah, okay. So each one of them, oh my gosh, this is funny. Each one of them has its own little set of babies, it looks like. And again, these ones do not have the cylindrical ones in the middle yet. I assume they're going to have them at some point. But there's one. This root system looks pretty funny down here. This one also does not. Let's see. Oh, so interesting. So this is just five different ones. Stuffed in here. This one also does not have this one. This one has a more proper baby growing in the middle. But these are pretty cool too because they're also super thick. So that's gonna look cool as it gets larger also. And then this one is starting to have the cylindrical shape. So yeah, this is what these look like. And again, they are definitely related to the Sansevieria cylindrica, but a little bit different. And I think they're really cool. So I'm probably gonna plant this in 2 different planters. Maybe keep a couple of these in this little tiny guy and put a few in a different one. If you happen to know a more specific name for these, or you can confirm that these are in fact the Dracaena stuckyi, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to learn more.